for today. So we are coming back into an area that I'm pretty interested in, and that's this zone round here of 26.392, and it's a zone I'll show you on the lower time frames, but there's quite a bit of price action in this area which I'd be interested in. So just on the daily, we've had 4 days of pretty much, well, let's just say 3 days of gains. This wasn't really a gain, indecision bar, and then we drifted lower for 3 days in a row now. If we look at what that drift is actually looking like, it's pretty clear that we are drifting in a flag, okay, and I would be looking for opportunities to buy. So I'd want to see it come down, test a level. This is the level that I'm looking for at the moment, which is 26.392. Okay, why I say it's a zone is there's the upper end of it, and there's the lower end of it. Okay, so you can see there my tails to the upside. Here are tails to the downside. Okay, in this area here where you've got 3 bars that are testing it, is always a good signal that that is a level that's been respected. So 26.311 and 26.455. So that's our zone. I'm looking for price action in that zone to indicate an opportunity to buy. Okay, and you can see the gap has closed, nothing on the gap, but we are sort of bottom of channel. I think we can probably just fine tune that channel a bit. Okay, there it is. Not off a level yet, so I'd expect us rally up, come underneath, test this breakout here, move more to the downside, and we need to get into the zone before I'll start looking at it. But that's the area that I'd be looking for longs at the moment. Nothing else that I can see right now. Looking at the 15-minute, Friday, typical Friday was pretty much all over the place, but there were lots of buyers scaling in. So if you look at these tails here, there are quite a few buyers that were scaling in. But yeah, I'm watching this area pretty interested, with a lot of interest right now to see what happens. Either a double bottom or some kind of price action in this zone here is what I'll be waiting for. So 26.455 and 26.311. That's what I'm looking for longs in that area. This trend is up. Okay. Last thing I want to do here is just put a Fibonacci in, and you can see Fibonacci is right at this area as well. Okay, so that's 26.455. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's just want to leave that level in and then delete the rest. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for price action to indicate a buying opportunity here. Trend is up, higher highs, higher lows, waiting for it to come back. And I think what the other thing you can't. I thought maybe we could put a channel in here, but there isn't a channel at the moment. But there could be one brewing, with that being the top, and either that fractal being the low, or the swing low here being the low, which probably makes a little bit more sense. Okay, so that'll bring us into the bottom area of the zone I've pointed out. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for an opportunity to buy, and it is coming pretty quickly. It'll be down here somewhere. Maybe not during the European session, but possibly late European session or early USA session. Okay, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.